The most formidable aspect of American military power operates beyond public scrutiny through classified programs that consume resources exceeding entire national defense budgets. The 2025 defense budget allocates $143.2 billion specifically to classified research and development programs, representing financial commitment to secret weapons that dwarfs the total military spending of most countries on Earth. This classified allocation exceeds the entire defense budgets of nations like Germany, Japan, France, and the United Kingdom individually, while funding development programs that remain completely unknown to foreign intelligence agencies. The sheer scale of this secret spending creates technological advantages that cannot be quantified or countered because potential adversaries have no knowledge of what capabilities these programs have produced. American history demonstrates a consistent pattern of revolutionary weapons systems emerging from classified programs only after achieving full operational status. The B-2 Spirit stealth bomber remained hidden from public view for over a decade while undergoing development and testing before its first acknowledged flight in 1989. The RQ-170 Sentinel stealth drone operated in complete secrecy until its existence was revealed following deployment to Afghanistan in 2007. The Manhattan Project created the atomic bomb through a classified program that employed over 130,000 workers across multiple states while remaining completely unknown to Congress, foreign intelligence agencies, and the American public until nuclear weapons ended World War II. Current classified spending exceeds the combined military budgets of many potential adversary nations, creating technological gaps that these countries cannot close through their own development programs. Russia's entire defense budget of approximately $65 billion represents less than half of America's classified research and development allocation alone. China's military spending of $230 billion includes all operational costs, personnel expenses, and equipment procurement, while America dedicates more than half that amount exclusively to secret weapons programs. This financial disparity ensures that American black projects operate with resources that competing nations cannot match even when dedicating their entire military budgets to similar programs. Space-based weapons systems remain officially unacknowledged despite decades of research and development that suggest operational capabilities far beyond public knowledge. The X-37B spaceplane conducts mysterious missions lasting over 2 years while carrying classified payloads that demonstrate advanced space technology. Military space budgets include billions of dollars for programs with designations that suggest capabilities extending far beyond satellite communications and GPS navigation. These programs likely include directed energy weapons, kinetic bombardment systems, and electronic warfare capabilities that could disable enemy satellites and communication networks without warning. American black projects have consistently produced technological breakthroughs that remain decades ahead of foreign competitors even after public acknowledgement. The stealth technology pioneered by the F-17 Nighthawk in the 1980s still exceeds the radar, evading capabilities of current Russian and Chinese aircraft designs. Advanced materials developed for classified aerospace programs have found their way into civilian applications years before foreign nations developed similar technologies independently. Computer processing capabilities, artificial intelligence systems, and quantum communication networks developed through classified programs provide advantages that competitors cannot duplicate through reverse engineering or espionage. The psychological impact of unknown American capabilities forces potential adversaries to plan for threats they cannot identify or quantify, creating strategic paralysis that prevents effective military planning. Enemy military leaders must account for the possibility that American forces possess weapons systems capable of neutralizing their most advanced defenses without warning. This uncertainty multiplies the deterrent effect of known American capabilities because rational adversaries cannot calculate odds of success when facing unknown technologies. Chinese and Russian military planners must assume that their most secret facilities and advanced weapon systems remain vulnerable to American capabilities they cannot detect or understand. Classified American capabilities likely include comprehensive countermeasures designed to neutralize every known foreign weapon system and defensive technology. If Russian hypersonic missiles pose theoretical threats to American forces, classified programs have almost certainly developed countermeasures that can track, intercept, or disable these weapons before they reach their targets. Chinese anti-satellite weapons that threaten American space assets likely face countermeasures that can protect critical satellites while simultaneously targeting Chinese space infrastructure. Iranian cyber warfare capabilities encounter American defensive systems that not only prevent attacks but can trace intrusions back to their sources for immediate retaliation. Advanced artificial intelligence systems developed through classified programs likely exceed the capabilities of any known computer system while providing decision-making. Support that transforms military effectiveness. These AI systems can process intelligence data from thousands of sources simultaneously while identifying patterns and threats that human analysts would miss completely. Machine learning algorithms trained on decades of classified intelligence can predict enemy actions and recommend countermeasures faster than enemy commanders can adapt their plans. Challenging American military supremacy means confronting not only the known weapons systems that dominate global headlines, but also facing technological surprises that no enemy can predict or prepare to counter. Foreign military planners must develop strategies that account for American capabilities they cannot observe, measure, or understand, while assuming that their own most advanced technologies may already be obsolete compared to classified American systems. This fundamental uncertainty creates military planning problems that have no solutions because the variables remain unknown. The reality